Today is the day Mummy Pig poisons her entire family.
Mum, when's that pie gonna be ready? I'm fucking starving. It's been ages.
Have some fucking patience, Peppa! I need to put it in the fucking oven!
You've taken your fucking time. Well, is it ready yet?
Slag.
BFFR!
Mummy, what does BFFR mean?
Be fucking for real! You stupid fucking idiots, go fuck off now!
Peppa, George and Daddy Pig fuck off.
What do we do now, Daddy? Dad?
How the fuck am I meant to know?
A few moments later.
Okay, kids, the pie is ready!
Boyaka!
Make sure you eat every last crumb!
Fuck, that looks good.
I promise, it doesn't have any poison in this time!
Slay! That pie be just like my wrists for real.
Peppa, stop being a fucking emo. Anyways, bottoms up.
Mummy, what's happening?
See you all sits in fucking